Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today we're diving into the common screen issues with the HP15S fq1130ns laptop. If your screen isn't functioning properly, don't worry. We'll guide you through the troubleshooting process step by step. First, let's gather the tools you'll need for this repair. You'll require a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid any damage to your laptop. Begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure your device is completely off to avoid any electrical hazards. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This step is essential for safety. Now, let's focus on the screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. If you're unsure about the number of screws, take a moment to count them before proceeding. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. If you find it challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. With the back panel removed, you'll have access to the internal components. Check for any loose connections, especially around the display cable. If the cable appears disconnected or damaged, this could be the source of your screen issues. Next, let's clean the internal components. Dampen a cloth with isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe down the area around the screen connector. Dust and debris can often cause connectivity issues, so this step is crucial for ensuring a proper connection. After cleaning, reconnect the display cable securely. Make sure it's firmly in place to avoid any future issues. If you're still experiencing problems, it might be time to consider a screen replacement. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. Once everything is reassembled, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Power on your laptop and check if the screen is functioning correctly. If the issue persists, it may require further diagnosis. Before concluding, always remember to get a quote before repair. This way, you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of costs. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to contact us for help. We're here to ensure your HP15S fq1130ns is back in top shape. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.